If you're looking for a central San Diego home at a great value, this one definitely hits. Picture this, a remodeled kitchen that actually makes you want to cook. Morning coffee on your private patio. Then a quick walk to grab food, run errands, or meet friends. No long drives required. That's everyday life here.
Every time I am better. I see the vision. I am better. I see the vision.
Low maintenance, smart layout, and unit advantage. Come take a look at this one before someone else does.